Hello guys, luluto tayo ngayon ng balansyana. Yung nasimulan doon sa Iloilo. Tsaka, ito yung mga ingredients natin. Malagkit, hotdog, bawang pang sibuyas, tsaka bell pepper, itlog, green beans, tsaka raisins, tsaka baboy, atay pala. Tsaka itong baboy, may shrimp. Po tamang niluto guys. Samahan niyo po ako. Hi guys, una natin ay bawang at sibuyas. Next ay baboy. Next ang atay. Ito yung next, longganisa. Next, yung hotdog. Ito guys, nalagay na natin yung malagkit. Tinutulungan lang po ako ng mama ko. Ito naman. Yan na po natin yung pasas.
Raisins. Oh.
Tsaka yung mga green bean. Okay guys, halo-halo lang tayo hanggang maganda na siya. Okay guys, luto na yung balansyana natin. Prepare na po natin ha. Hello guys, ito na yung finished product natin. Okay guys, okay lang guys. Big scoop. Alam mo kung bakit tatlo guys? Kasi tatlo daw yung judges eh. Okay guys, alagay natin muna yung toppings.
I'm gonna look at it tomorrow and tell you the full story, but yeah, I'm exhausted. I am broken. It's 3.5 kilometers to a hotel.
3, 4,
Where I'm hopefully gonna stay.
Ganun yung iba na.
Last
Okay,
na.
guys, this is the last na. So, malapit na mayan yung video natin.
And didn't get any further. It was 2 weeks.
Okay, guys, so next yung shrimp.
And at some point he comes to me, he's like,
Gitna yung
he
shrimp.
was really like one of the first people in line.
Diba? Taran! Na-finish na yung product natin. Ang hirap kasi sakit pa nga yung kamay ko kasi nga nangangalay pa ako. So, ito yung finished product natin. Papakainin ko na to sa judge mamaya. Goodbye guys! Thank you for watching! Tsaka, kung gusto ninyo na ito, gayahin nyo lang by step to ha.